Welcome, this is the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. For example, the calendar widget I have. Just get two different types of the widgets. Let's add one from the widgets. To add it to your home screen, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to move widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.